has all this collection. Metzeler, this is the off-road tires, everything is there. I searched in many places but I never got this right, so I think this is one of the best price you can get for the Superbike tires. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today what I'm going to talk about is the tire change that I did in my Ninja 1000. So many of you will be looking for the best tire deal. So if you are looking for a tire change for your car or some other bike or anything like that, then probably you can watch the other video that I posted. So this one is very much connected to the Superbike tire upgrade. Not everybody will have that tire and it is very limited to specific people. And what happens usually in JC Road is like they have a interconnectivity between all these shops, and when you're asking some shop for a tire, they will be talking to other shops and they will try to arrange that tire. But what happens is that kind of tires, they will have the other dealer margin and then this dealer margin, and you will get it for a higher price. If you are a Superbike owner, you know that how important is the tire is, right? It's not like regular vehicle. We have to always keep the tire in best position. So if you see my last riding video that I posted, I was feeling some kind of fishtail motion in the back when, especially in higher speed. So I knew that it is time to change the tire, right? So I was looking for that rear tire and it was like almost gone, right? So I had to change it. So I did some exploration in the JC Road. I was going to different shops and then try to figure out where I can get the best price. And also I checked some of the standard shops that you might be aware of, and I got a much higher price there. So I didn't go there. So I just keep on searching and I found this place where I got it for the best price. Okay, so I'm here to change the bike tire. So if you see this is almost completely gone. I'm not getting any grip. So higher speeds, it's fishtailing. So the control is less now, so I have to change the tire. So I checked many places for the tire price and I got the best deal from here. So I'm having this Vredestein Apollo Vredestein Centurio NS in the front. So this, if you see, it's a new tire kind of, right? So you can see all the grip is there. Backside currently road 4 is running, pretty old, so I have to get it changed. So that's the thing that we are going to do today. Okay, we'll keep the bike inside. இங்கே போதுமா? பேக் தான் வேணும் இப்போ. ஆ 190/55 ZR17. So this is what I want, Centurio NS. Yeah, this is comparatively softer compound, but I think it is staying. So this is the price he is selling for the 190/55 R17 back tire Ninja 1000, and he will tell how much he charges for the pair. 9,900 is the front tire. Vredestein NS, Century NS. Okay. Okay. So total it will be
23,700.
23,700 will be the total. So this is the price he is telling. 13,800 for the back tire, 9,900 for the front tire. और फिटिंग के लिए फिटिंग
का दोनों टायर का 400
उतना है 400 दोनों टायर अगर करना है एक टायर है तो 200 उतना है
आपके लिए।
हाँ बैलेंसिंग भी करता है
बैलेंसिंग का 500 लगेगा।
बैलेंसिंग
उसका
का-
अलग से है 500। इधर किधर भी नहीं है, मधुस और मेरा पास वाला किधर भी नहीं है बैलेंसिंग।
हाँ।
500 रुपीज पर व्हील है,
हाँ हाँ
व्हील बैलेंसिंग।
ओके ओके This is the one I am putting. It's 190/55 ZR17. So just little bit height will come. I heard that there will be some correction in the reading, meter reading, maybe 3 to 4 kilometer. I guess it's okay. So the comfort wise this will be better. It has a 3 years warranty also. I think the last production date was 22/22. In the front also I have सो आपका पास पिरेली बाकी सब है
मैक्सिलर पेरेली सभी है,
सभी है
मिचलिन, मैक्सिलर, पेरेली, वेडेस्टाइन।
हाँ ठीक है आप इसका होलसेल डीलर है
हाँ, हमारा
सबको आप ही सप्लाई कर रहे हैं
आखिरी डीलर हमें है।
अच्छा हाँ हाँ तो सबसे बेस्ट प्राइस आप ही दे सकते हैं ठीक है There's all this collection Metzeler this is the off-road tires everything is there आप बोलो क्या क्या टायर्स है आपका पास आप दिखा भी सकते हैं ये कौन सा है ये कौन सा है
मैक्सिलर का स्लिक टायर है,
हाँ
मैक्सिलर स्लिक है,
हाँ
उधर पेरेली का स्लिक टायर है,
हाँ
फिर पेरेली
रेस ट्रैक में यूज़ करना है
रेस ट्रैक का टायर है।
हाँ
आपको पेरेली का स्कॉर्पियन रेड 2 है,
हाँ
मिचलिन पावर 5 है,
हाँ
रोड 4 है,
हाँ
पावर 3 है, ये फ्रंट का स्लिक टायर है।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
और पेरेली 170 का है,
हाँ
मिचलिन रोड 4 है, मैक्सिलर M5 180 में M7 है,
मिशेलिन रोड 6 चाहिए तो वो भी मिलता है?
मिलेगा लेकिन अभी स्टॉक नहीं आएगा।
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है।
वेडस्टेन का चाहिए 200 में वेडस्टेन है,
हाँ
सभी टायर मिलेगा।
ठीक है ठीक है।
240 का चाहिए तो 240 का भी है।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
240, 45, 17।
ओके ओके डायब्लोरोसा
हाँ
So what I feel is this is one of the best price to buy the Superbike Tyres. So you can check out their rate wherever you want to check, and then probably you can call these guys and check their rate. So I'll probably put the number in the description. You can call and probably tell my name also, so that you will get that same rate. So on the video he shown the rate. So I searched in many places, but I never got this rate. So I think this is one of the best price you can get for the Superbike Tyres, especially when we are looking for softer rubber, hold on to the road, and then it goes pretty fast. So tires are very important for superbikes, so you have to find the place where you can get the best deal of the Superbike tires. So you can probably contact this guy and see his rate also, along with when you're checking with other vendors. Probably they have posted ads in the different media, social media, all those things. But these guys may not do that, right? So just check that out. ठीक है Syed ji, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so we are all good. It's all fixed. Chain tension, everything is fine, I guess. Even when you buy from any other vendor also, you have to, for fitting and balancing and all, you have to go to some other shop maybe. But here the thing is, they will do the fitting and also they will do the balancing. So that way I felt it is convenient. They have a couch and other things, unlike all other shops, so that is also convenient. Okay, this is the one, Cherry Tire Park, Cherry Agency's Tire Park. Okay, let's go. So that's what it is. So when you want to get good tire, you have to compare. That's the only way. So JC Road is the main hub for tires in Bangalore. Like for different things, you have different places in Bangalore. So you have to go to the right place to get the right deal and the right item. So this is my small advice with whatever limited knowledge that I have and whatever I follow. So you can try that out, right? And it's been always working for me, like from the day one when I started doing this. So I hope it will work for all of you guys as well. In regular size, Ninja comes with 190 50, but right now what I put is 190 55 17. So now the rear side is little tall, right? So the height is increased little bit, and as I said, there will be some correction in the meter, like 3 kilometers or something. That's what I got to know from one of my friend. So I guess it's okay. But now as it is a new tire, right? So you have to ride carefully for the first 1000 kilometers, something like that. I got the 2022 model, 22nd week of 2022, and I got it for 13,800, and that was the best deal I found. And this guy is having a direct contact with the company, And also I have seen his register where he's supplying multiple people these tires, and they will be putting their margin and they will be selling it, right? So many of the standard vendors that you might be seeing, right, I don't want to bring in their name here. So they are getting the supply from this particular guy. That's all I had to tell you guys. So you can just go and check it out along with the other prices that you are checking with other vendors. So that's all I had for today. So I hope this video is helpful for all of you guys. And also if you like it, just like it, and also you can comment, and please do subscribe if you feel like. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye.